Everyone wants to make money in trading, but very few actually think long-term. Most traders want fast results. They chase signals, follow hype, and expect instant profits. And that's exactly why most of them fail. Because trading success isn't about quick wins, it's about sustainability. It's not how much you can make this week, but whether you can still trade profitably a year from now. That's the real test. So today, let's talk about the blueprint for long-term trading success. The framework that separates temporary winners from traders who thrive through every market condition. One foundation. The power of process. Let's start with the most underrated principle, process. Long-term traders understand that results come from consistent actions, not random luck. Every trade, every entry, every exit follows a repeatable structure. They build systems, not just strategies. A strategy tells you when to buy or sell. A system defines how to plan, execute, and review every trade, no matter the outcome. They journal trades, review data, and refine their edge. And when something stops working, they adapt, not panic. That process mindset is what creates long-term resilience. 2. Risk. Protect before you grow. The second part of the blueprint is risk management. Most traders blow up accounts not because their strategy is wrong, but because they can't control losses. Long-term traders know that capital preservation comes first. They set maximum drawdown limits, use percentage-based position sizing, and let math guide their exposure, not emotions. They think like business owners. Before they make a dollar, they decide how much they're willing to lose to earn it. That single mindset shift transforms a gambler into a professional. 3. Psychology. Detach emotion. Trust logic. Even with a great system, emotions can destroy everything. Fear of missing out, greed after a winning streak, revenge trading after a loss. The best traders don't suppress emotions. They neutralize them with structure. They know discipline isn't about controlling feelings. It's about designing systems that remove them from the process. And that's where technology plays a massive role. Because no matter how strong your willpower is, you can't beat fatigue, stress, and emotion forever. But your system can. 4. Automation. Turning logic into execution. The long-term blueprint is incomplete without automation. It's the bridge between logic and execution. An expert advisor, or EA, takes your plan and executes it with absolute precision. It doesn't second-guess. It doesn't hesitate. It follows rules perfectly every single time. That's how professional traders and hedge funds operate. They rely on automation to enforce discipline, manage risk, and maintain consistency, even when they're asleep. And this is exactly what JPSorgan EA was designed to do. It's not just another robot. It's an execution system built for sustainability. In recent results, it turned $10,000 into $175,586.05 in just 90 days, proving that when logic replaces emotion, consistency follows. It doesn't trade too much. It doesn't trade too little. It trades only when the data confirms the edge. That's the same principle every professional fund follows. And now, you can too. 5. Growth. Compounding discipline. The final piece of the blueprint is compounding. Not just compounding profit, but compounding discipline. Each trade executed correctly. Each risk managed properly. Each emotion kept under control. It builds psychological equity. Over time, your growth curve isn't just in your balance. It's in your decision quality. And when you combine that human discipline with the consistent logic of automation, that's when trading stops being stressful and starts being scalable. Long-term success in trading doesn't happen by accident. It's built with logic, patience, and structure. You don't need to predict the market. You just need to control your behavior and let your system do the heavy lifting. Lightbulb, build your long-term success today. Start with logic, powered by automation. Rocket, get JPSorgan EA now through the link in my channel or profile bio and experience what sustainable, data-driven trading really feels like.